Kids Go Karting, Racing Towards Dreams. In this captivating biography, we follow the thrilling journey of Amer, a young go-karting prodigy with a passion for speed and a drive to succeed. From the first time they gripped the steering wheel of a car, it was evident that Amer was destined for greatness on the track. Born with a natural talent for racing, Amer quickly made a name for themselves in the competitive world of go-karting. With each race, they honed their skills, pushing themselves to the limit and leaving spectators in awe of their speed and precision. But Amer's journey wasn't without its challenges. From overcoming setbacks to mastering new techniques, they faced every obstacle with determination and resilience. With unwavering support from their family and coaches, Amer continued to chase their dreams, inspiring others with their unwavering passion for the sport. As Amer soared to new heights in the world of go-karting, they never lost sight of what truly mattered: the thrill of the race and the joy of pursuing their passion. Through dedication, hard work, and a love for speed, Amer proved that age is just a number when it comes to chasing your dreams. Kids Go Karting, Racing Towards Dreams, is a testament to the power of perseverance, passion, and the indomitable spirit of youth. Join Amer on their exhilarating journey as they navigate the twists and turns of the racetrack, leaving a trail of victory in their wake. Indoor go-karting burst onto the scene in the late 20th century is a thrilling alternative to outdoor karting, offering enthusiasts the excitement of racing in a controlled environment. Originating in the United States in the 1980s, indoor go-karting quickly gained popularity worldwide, becoming a favorite pastime for adrenaline junkies and racing enthusiasts of all ages. The concept of indoor go-karting was revolutionary, providing accessible and convenient racing opportunities regardless of weather conditions. With the rise of indoor tracks, enthusiasts could experience the thrill of high-speed racing year-round, fueling the growth of the sport. As technology advanced, indoor go-karting evolved, with tracks incorporating state-of-the-art features such as electronic timing systems, variable track layouts, and even virtual reality experiences. This constant innovation further elevated the excitement and competitiveness of indoor karting events. Indoor go-karting has also become a breeding ground for racing talent, serving as a stepping stone for aspiring professional drivers. Many motorsport stars began their careers in the world of indoor karting, honing their skills and showcasing their talent on the track. Beyond its competitive aspect, indoor go-karting has also emerged as a popular leisure activity for corporate events, birthday parties, and group outings. Its accessibility and thrill make it an ideal choice for team-building exercises and social gatherings. With its rich history, technological advancements, and widespread appeal, indoor go-karting continues to captivate audiences around the globe, offering an adrenaline-fueled experience that keeps enthusiasts coming back for more. The concept of indoor go-karting revolutionized traditional outdoor karting by offering enthusiasts the opportunity to experience the thrill of racing in a controlled, climate-controlled environment year-round. With the advent of indoor facilities equipped with state-of-the-art tracks, advanced electric and gas-powered carts, and safety features, the sport surged in popularity, attracting thrill-seekers of all ages. Indoor go-karting isn't just about speed. It's a test of skill, strategy, and nerve as competitors navigate tight corners, hairpin turns, and straightaways to claim victory. From casual racers to seasoned professionals, indoor go-karting provides an accessible platform for honing driving skills, fostering friendly competition, and experiencing the rush of adrenaline-fueled excitement. Over the years, indoor go-karting has evolved into a highly competitive sport, with leagues, tournaments, and championships held worldwide. With its emphasis on accessibility, safety, and sheer excitement, indoor go-karting continues to captivate motorsports enthusiasts, offering an exhilarating experience that leaves participants craving more lap after lap.